Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So I'm sorry if you hear any background noise. Someone's decided to cut their grass and everyone's home because it's a Sunday. So you might hear a little bit of background noise. I'm sorry for that. But today's a really exciting video as I have the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. I've just received this, so I haven't looked at the colours, I haven't swatched them. I'm just really dying to at the moment, but I just wanted to show you the packaging. It's silver and it's got like a reflective packaging and every time light hits it, it's like rainbows. I just think it's so cool. I haven't got anything like this in my collection. This is a powder highlight kit featuring 6 ultra reflective shades with multi-dimensional sparkle. So it's got 6 shades to highlight face, eyes and body. Buildable metallic-lustre formula, can be applied wet or dry, and it's vegan and cruelty free, which I love, of course. So I'm just gonna show you the packaging and then go through the colours and maybe apply some to my face. Each shadow is 4.5 grams or 0.16 ounces, so not bad. So you just take the little sleeve off and then it's just the same as the front packaging, the silver with the reflective colours on the front and on the back as well. So let's open it up. Wow. So it has no mirror, it just says Dream Glow Kit on there, and these are the colours. So all 6. They're very sparkly. I didn't know they would be that sparkly. I don't know if you can see. They look a bit chunky, but we'll see how they perform in a minute. But very, very pretty. So I'm going to start, if I can pull that back. Okay. So I'm going to start off with this Wish. I'm going to do swatches first and then we will apply the highlighter. So this one here is called Wish and it is described as a pearl base with violet sparkles. Wow, that's pretty. That is so pretty. I don't think I have one like this at all. Maybe a Mary Luminizer dupe? I don't know. Anyway, so Unicorn, this nice pink colour here, is lavender and pink sparkle clusters. That's how it's described. It's a little bit chunkier feel. And that is there. Wow. Wow, that's really, really pretty. That'd really be good as a eyeshadow. So the next colour is called Magic and it's this like silver colour. And this is called Ice. It's described as an icy base with a kaleidoscope cluster of red, gold, pink and blue sparkles. So let's have a little swatch of that. Wow. So pretty. They look like they've all got some sort of pink sparkle to them. Even like the gold one, got pink sparkles. So that was Magic. The next one is called Ethereal. And that's described as a cool tone lavender duochrome with blue reflective sparkle. That was Ethereal. The next one is called Sunshine, which is obviously the yellow. And this is described as a lavender gold shift. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So pretty, that one just there. And the last one, this lighter sort of like pinky red colour, is coral probably, is a golden pink base with a light kaleidoscope cluster of pink, gold and blue sparkle. And that is the last one. Really, really pretty. I haven't ever tried one of Anastasia's glow kits before. I've obviously got her new highlighter, the that one there, which is a pretty one as well, Embassy. So those are all the shades, all 6 shades. It's £46. I got mine off of the website, the Anastasia Beverly Hills website, but I believe it's coming out to Cult Beauty or Beauty Bay on the 5th. So if this might be before the 5th of June or after, but it's out on the 5th. So that is those shades. I'm going to take the brush A23, which I got with the deal. If you bought the palette, you got this for £10 when it's originally 26, so you save £16, which is quite good. This is a large diffuser brush with soft natural bristles that's ideal for applying highlighter formulas. Swirl brush over cheekbones, brow bones, and decollage for a finished appearance. Round tapered bristles make applications easy and precise. So that is the brush we're going to apply with, which I'm excited for. So I'm going to take, I'm going to try out Wish first, the first one, and I'm going to apply it to my right cheekbone. Just going to take a little bit on there, just a little bit there. Is that coming up? Maybe I need to put more pressure. It is coming up. Wow. Just get a closer mirror. Okay, not bad. Let me get a little bit more. Just want to bring it down a little. Wow, that's pretty. I really, really like that one. It has got like the pink to it. I don't know if you can see it. But that's that one. So that's Wish. I'm going to take... Actually, I think I wanted to try the Unicorn. That really, really nice pink one on the other side. So I'm just going to... There's a little bit of fallout, if you can see on the palette. Just a little bit, so it's not a lot. So that is Unicorn, and I'm going to apply that on my left side. Just blend that out a little bit. Wow, that one's very, very pigmented. Doesn't seem to come down there though. Let me just get a little bit more. Might have to go light hand with this one. I think I picked too much on that one, but let's try a different one. I think on my nose, I think I'm going to go for Sunshine. Just a little bit, I think. Don't want too much. Sorry, I keep putting that in the way. I'm just going to take my other brush. It just seems to be... Just going to take Real Techniques one. I'm just going to bring it up here as well. I wouldn't normally do that with this, how much this sparkly one is. So that is, what was that, Sunshine? I don't think you can see much of that one. I use a lighter hand. And then I'm going to take Magic and pop that on. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm just going to put it somewhere if I can. Probably just dust it around again. Wow, sparkled up. Gonna just go around down here. Wow, wow, wow. I'm loving this shade. That was Wish. That pink one's really nice if you went in with a lighter hand. I think I put a lot on, but I'm really, really loving this. Really, really like it. The brush, meh. Probably have to have another go at it, but I only got it because it was like a deal. If you bought the palette, then this would be £10. So I thought that was okay. So, but the palette, I really like the palette. Like I said, it's got a lot of sparkle in there, a lot of like glitter, sparkle. But I think my favourite so far is probably the Wish. I like that one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up please, and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be doing some other videos. I've got Becca Be a Light palette that's just come out and it's on its way, and the Huda Rose Gold Remastered palette, which I can't wait for. So if you guys want to see that, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.